Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. I'm Jan and today we are in Gibraltar and I'm going to show you what I created from sea glass and some seashells which I found on Eastern Beach and also Catalan Bay here in Gibraltar. And as you remember guys, this is the first time for me, something new. I've never done this before, and so I have been looking through the internet for some ideas. I was like thinking, what shall I make? Because I've got so many sea glass, and I was like, I like it and I want to do something about it. And I was thinking and thinking, what kind of art should I create? And you know what, guys? And I was like, looking through the different artists and different things which were done and tried to get inspiration. And I have decided, like, I looked at one of the well, I don't even know what do you call it. It's not a paint, not sculpture, but like really cool creation, very cool art, which is actually made by modern artists these days. And I was like, that is so cool, guys. And I thought, I spent so much time just thinking and thinking, what shall I make, and then I saw that piece of art. Now you can see it, and I was just like, I was so inspired by this that I was like, I can do something like that. It's like that worth like hundreds of thousands of dollars. And I was just like, okay, I can do something. It's just so amazing. And I eventually come out with this beautiful masterpiece, which I'm going to show you now, guys. I do really hope you will not be not judge it as much, because it's something first time I'm trying it, and I really hope you're going to like it. So I'm going to show you now. It's already hanging on my wall, and here we go, guys. That's my creation. I was just like really so inspired, and I thought, why not? Really, it's like we are living in a modern days, in a modern world, and something like this is actually natural. It's pure nature. There are no materials being used out of anything which can harm the nature or anything like that. You see, I just like thought, why not? This is like I think this is like an abstract vision. I see here an elephant, I have the eyes, and this is kind of like abstraction of the ears, and then I just like this so much, I really like it. Look, and you don't even need to put any like sellotape or anything. It's like, it's pure. You can see it's pure nature. You see, look at this. I think that is like really cool. What do you think, guys? I hope you like it too. I really hope so. Please write me comments. I mean, yeah, you can bid on it if you would like. It's for sale. Yeah, I can sell it. Well, the highest bid, I guess, wherever it goes, for 100,000. Maybe I can get few millions or something, like, why not? I mean, right, okay, not many people know me, but well, I'm making videos, like, okay, YouTuber, maybe not a big one, but kinda getting there, hopefully, with your help, guys. So yeah, this is what I decided to do. I'm just like, well, I thought, just why not? I think it's nice. I don't know. What do you think? I mean, like, it's art, isn't it? I believe so. So yeah, that's what I thought, guys. Because I was just like thinking, like, to make whatever from seashells, like do paintings, and it takes so much time. And this one, it still took me a long time, like a week of thinking, what shall I create, and what materials should I use. And then I felt like it should be some kind of organic natural. So that's what I come out with, this beautiful masterpiece. I absolutely love this. I'm just like so in love with this. So it's just so cool. So guys, yeah, that's the thing. Unfortunately, it's not made from seashells, right? But anyway, what do you think? So, but you know what, I'm a very creative person, obviously. Well, not too much, but when I look at some ideas, I get an inspiration. So I have decided to make some art also from seashells. Okay, so I have decided to do so, and I'm going to show you now what I have made. This is my little studio, let's say it that way. So yeah, like look at this, still like this is really cool. Okay, and these are my creations. Okay, that's from glass and shells I have made, and I'm going to show you a little bit closer. You see, look, the living room turned into a workshop, to be honest. This is what I actually have here, and I want to show you actually what I've started from. You see, this is all my shells and sea glass out there, and I started with these little bottles, collection of, you can see here is sea glass which I found in Gibraltar, and also I decided to add a rock of Gibraltar here. You can see this beautiful crystal, mineral, whatever, limestone. The rock is actually made of limestone, so it's like a Jurassic Park. So here you have a very cool history in this little jar, guys. So yeah, I thought I will make this one, and then actually with my parents we were thinking, and my mom was like, yeah, that's like really cool souvenir. And so I was like, why wouldn't I actually create a souvenir? And so if you are in Gibraltar, right, so you can have this as a souvenir. You see, this is this stamp. Actually, I have even created my own label. Look at that, made in Gibraltar. So you can read, it's very small print, but which I'm just writing here, that is hand-picked, genuine Gibraltar rock, Mediterranean sea glass and shells. And for more information, discover more, you can go to my YouTube channel, Jan Travels or Gibraltar Today. And of course it's made of glass and not suitable for children under 3, and don't try to eat it. Yeah, okay, so I have made all the warnings. So, and I thought, like, you know, guys, I was thinking to go and sell it, but then I of course went to find out how can I sell it, and that's where I have got more information, which I'll tell you a bit in the next video, is how to actually, I would have to sell it to the shops. I need a business license, okay? So, but I can sell it myself on the street as a craft because I'm creating it, but I need a peddler's license and some other license, which I will tell you a bit in the other video. So, well, when I came to, so another suggestion I had is to come to Arts and Crafts and the culture, Ministry of Culture, and they do also markets on the street, and they also, so I showed it to them and I said, can I also stand with you in the markets and sell this? And they said, well, it looks nice, but it doesn't look like it's craft. Which, like, okay, if it's not craft, what is craft? So they told me, well, you need to make like jewelry maybe out of the seashells, maybe some art. And that's what they made me to actually, and inspired me to do all of those necklaces. Yeah, because my original idea was just to create these ones and, you know, try to sell them. And well, because nobody makes something like that, and I think this is genuine Gibraltar, completely everything from Gibraltar here in the little shells we found. And again, the stones I put everywhere, in each and every bottle, a rock of Gibraltar. And also this is all very good. I was reading the internet, is good for wedding favors. If you are having a wedding in Gibraltar and have your friends and guests, you can get these ones also as the wedding favor. So, well, I'm actually going to go sell it on the market in St. Andrew's Church this Saturday, and then I will be on Sunday at Morrison's selling it too. So if you are interested, guys, if you're in Gibraltar, come and you will see me, find me with all my stuff which I gonna sell. So now what else? So that's what I was inspired to create some jewelry, guys. So this is all my babies, I have made them myself. So I actually got so obsessed with these little jars. When I looked at them on the internet, they were so pretty, and I thought I have to make it because it is beautiful. You can see I have take some pictures with the jewelry. Check out my Instagram, Janka Anglichanka. So you can find it in the description under this video, and you can see what they look like in pictures. And yeah, so remember I found all of the stones I showed to you, so I have glued them to these beautiful charms, which are also, I made all of these crystals, I put it on myself, that little charm. So all of these little things. Here is the little shell I found in Catalan Bay. So I decided to make a little necklace because, for example, I have swimsuit, and I thought that would look really nice with a swimsuit, you know, go in a swim. You don't have to worry about like to lose it because it's not very expensive. I haven't decided on the prices, but this is going to be very cheap. I think like about between starting maybe £3, between 3 to up to £10 to sell, no more. We will see. And so like depends, some of them bigger, some of them smaller, so it's going to be a very little price, not very much. And yeah, look, this are also sea glass with beautiful seahorse, and also I have this little shiny, because you know guys, I like shiny stuff, right? So I don't have much light today to show you how shiny it is. I will try to take pictures of it separately in the sun, maybe a little bit. So in here, yeah, that's the beautiful also green. I like this color, this sea glass. Remember I showed you all of the sea glasses I found. Look at this one. This is my white collection. Okay, I actually also did all this you know, things myself, guys. This was like really interesting experience to do it all. I have no idea if it's going to sit well because I have different glue. I have hot glue, I have resin, you know, and yeah, first time I was using it, and look, this is beautiful. I also like this. Is also shell I found in Catalan Bay, and this is a little bit of the this beautiful and shiny, remember a little rock we found in the sea. I was showing to you, asking what it is, so I put a little seahorse. And yeah, also this is another one, and also I also like this one. I thought that looks nice, and actually this one can wear from both sides. You can wear either that side, lighter side, or you can turn around and wear it on the darker side. And so yeah, you can do it like both ways. So I felt it's like quite nice. I'm quite impressed with myself, I have to say, because I did actually enjoy doing it. I really liked it. So, and this one I like. It's very beautiful. That's the only, you know, that's what I found, and just put a little looking like what you call them, pearls, like little pearls. And I thought I will not do anything with this too, just like hang it like this, because that's like Mother Nature creation. Mother Nature created it itself. It's probably just only one in the whole world you can find something like this. This is so unique, very pretty. I like this one. It's quite, I don't know how strong it is. I mean, I tried to glue it to protect it so it would not break. So, but you need to be really careful with this one. But this is so beautiful. Okay, so look at these ones. Like I'm saying, I'm so obsessed with these little jars, and so I have made some. For example, this one, also all the sea glass and a little bit of the rock there too. Then I put some gel in it, so I thought it looks nice with the color. And I didn't want to do a glue because then you can, you know, move it around, so it moves a little bit around. And also seahorse here. This is another one. So just like different types I have made, and this is beautiful. Look at this green. I just like really liked it. I had my mom's help also. She was like picking up the small parts, so we were all doing it together, so it's not just me. And design, it's more my design, but mom was helping me picking things up. And this is so beautiful green. Mom wasn't sure about just making it green, but I'm saying, you know, some people like green. For example, my eyes are green and it looks really nice with green eyes, but this I really like this, how it has come out. So that's another one, also with some color in it. Then another one also I have decided just to make pure rock of Gibraltar. So this is your thousands of years in this bottle, guys. Thousands of years. Rock of Gibraltar is so unique. Did you know it's upside down? So can you imagine what you have here? I picked it all around the rock. I have asked the permission and I was allowed to pick pieces of rock, and then I found this one. This is so beautiful. I thought I will create this one because that is just amazing. I mean, when you think of it, that this is your Jurassic Park in here, you know, guys, Jurassic Park. This is cool. Okay, so I have more seahorses. I just like those seahorses, you know, with the little looking like diamond, crystal, yeah, that's it. I like this one a lot, these two, because of this beautiful color. See, one is bigger one is the smallest, so pretty. I'm just like so in love with it. That's amazing. I don't know, guys, I just got so into it. I want to wear it all. I don't know, it's not that many. I don't know. So yeah, on Saturday I will be trying to sell it. Let's see how many people will come and who would be interested. I will be taking some SEAGLASS for sale too, because I have a lot and I haven't used a lot. I don't know if I'll continue doing this or not. This is just a try and enjoyment of doing it. And I also have created some paintings. Look at this, guys. Well, I didn't paint myself. I just went into the shop and I saw these paintings and I thought, why wouldn't I just, like, you know, to decorate them with the SEAGLASS. Look what it's I came out with. Look at this. I think it's actually came out quite nicely and quite pretty. So you can see that. What I have done is hidden a heart in every painting. So you can find. Can you find the heart? Yes. So if you get it, so you can find a heart. So I have a hidden heart in here and hidden heart in here. There's a heart-shaped stone in one and another one. I'll take a picture afterwards. Also, you can check them on Instagram and see if you find hearts. And this is also another one. I really like this one. Look at that. I've forgotten all, isn't it? The bird you call it. Look at this. I really like this. I especially like this part in here, which I have made the leaves from the SEAGLASS little printed stones, you know, guys. So I really like that. This is also I have made with some Rock of Gibraltar, right? So and the rest of it is SEAGLASS too. I also, guys, don't know, like I'm saying, this is very new to me, how strong it will be, if it will hold, because I have made these paintings a week ago and well, they're not falling, the stones are still there, so hopefully they will hold. I'm just like really worried because, like, I have never done this and I never trust glue, and I just don't know if there anything can hold on glue so nicely and well. So I hope so, that it will do. So that's my creation, guys. So that's what I wanted to show you. I hope you liked it. I think that's all for now. I don't know, maybe I will make something else later. I still have a few days, except I'm really busy with other stuff and actually preparing for another trip across the Europe, guys. This is going to be a very big trip and very tiring, I think, and I hope you enjoy it, because we will see quite a lot of Eastern countries, the Balkan countries. So I'm planning to go, the trip is like 13 countries, okay? So from Italy to Bulgaria, we're gonna make a circle around, okay? And like circle those countries a little bit, and then from Bulgaria, the other countries on the way back to Italy. Then we're gonna take ferry, so we're going from Gibraltar to Tangier on the ferry to Italy and around those countries, and then come back again on the ferry and return home. So that's going to be about 2 months trip, I think, and I think you're going to enjoy those videos, guys. I'm not sure I would have a lot of time to spend in every single place. I wish I could spend more time in different countries and show a lot, but it's not going to be too much. We're going to stay about 1-2 nights at a time in some places, so lots of going on. So that's it, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. I'll see you maybe if you come on Saturday, St. Andrew's Church. There will be market, so you can check it on the site at least. I think it's on Visit Gibraltar site. They have announcement there, arts and crafts and jewelry, it's going to be, and on Sunday it's organized by Rotary Club in Morrison, at Morrison's car park, so I will be there. So unless of course the stock will be gone on Saturday, so I don't know, like I'm saying, I have no idea how many people actually come and buying, or would anybody be interested to buy it. I don't know honestly how much is it popular. Anyway, so I can't take this out, I'm afraid, so it's going to be here for now. But yeah, if you are interested, the highest bidder, yes, please PM me and into my email. You can find in the description under this video. So that's it, guys, for now. I hope you enjoyed my art. I hope you liked it. Please write comments. Don't forget to check in Instagram some photographs. And I see you later. Don't forget to subscribe and press that bell so you don't miss new videos. Bye, everyone!